Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic lined up for you: check valves. Ever wondered how these small but crucial components work in various systems? Well, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our informative content. Now, let's get started. A check valve, also known as a non-return valve, is a mechanical device designed to allow fluid or gas to flow in one direction only. Its primary purpose is to prevent backflow, ensuring that once a fluid or gas passes through the valve in the desired direction, it cannot return. There are various types of check valves, each designed for specific applications. We have swing check valves, lift check valves, ball check valves, and more. The choice of valve depends on factors such as flow rate, pressure, and the type of fluid or gas being handled. Check valves are used in a wide range of applications. From water and sewage systems to oil and gas pipelines, they play a crucial role in maintaining the flow in the right direction. They're even used in household appliances like sump pumps and dishwashers. Proper maintenance is key to ensure the longevity and efficiency of check valves. Regular inspections, cleaning, and lubrication, if necessary, can go a long way. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for maintenance procedures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.